Hello, welcome to another video. Here we have an integral of x power 5 over x power 3 negative a power 3 dx. In our observation, here numerator is bigger than denominator by 2. Therefore, the power of numerator is bigger than that of denominator by 2. What we are going to do here is to do a long division of this. Let's here have x power 5 divide x power 3 minus a power 3. As you see, something that we will take and multiply it here to be x power 5 is x squared. X power 2 times x power 3 here is x power 5 minus a power 3 x squared negative. What you see here is the remainder will be a power 3 x squared. That's why here this integral x power 5 over x power 3 minus a power 3 dx is equal to an integral of, we write this, here is x power 2 and add the remainder x power 3, a power 3 times x power 2 over x power 3 minus a power 3 dx. Okay, what's next here? Let's integrate element wise. That's why we have an integral of this plus that of this. What we have here is an integral of x squared dx. Here is positive. An integral of a power 3 x squared over x power 3 minus a power 3 dx. This will be an integral of x squared is 1 over 3 x power 3 plus, here you see here a is a constant. That's why it's going to be written outside of integral sign and stay with x squared over x power 3 minus a power 3 dx. Okay, what do you see here? If you integrate this, the integral of this denominator is 3x squared, and here we have only x squared. When you multiplying 3 here and divide it, we have 1 over 3 x power 3 plus a power 3 times the integral of 3 x squared over 3 x power 3 minus a power 3 dx. The integral will then be 1 over 3 x power 3 minus plus a power 3, take this 3 out, write it here, we stay with 3x squared over x power 3 minus a power 3 dx, and this will give us 1 over 3 x power 3 minus plus a power 3 over 3. Since the derivative of this gives this, its integral will be a natural log of x power 3 minus a power 3 plus a constant. As a conclusion, an integral of x power 5 over x power 3 minus a power 3 dx is equal to 130 times x power 3 plus a power 3 over 3 times ln of x power 3 negative a power 3 plus a constant of integration. Here I thank you.